The pond hockey problem. Why your team might be your biggest growth blocker. In Canada, we have pond hockey. No cuts, no tryouts. You show up, you play. The pond is democratic and forgiving, and for a game on a Saturday morning, perfect. Most leadership teams start exactly like that. No auditions. The early believers, the loyal builders, the people who were there when it was just you and a whiteboard and a dream. They helped you build the foundation. They earned their place at the table. But your business isn't the same business it was. It's bigger, faster, and more complex. The decisions are harder. The stakes are higher. The skills required to lead at this level are genuinely different from the ones that got you here. And that creates the most uncomfortable conversation in any CEO's life. The team that built this might not be the team that scales it. The hidden cost of loyalty. I've worked with hundreds of CEOs over 30 years. The most common growth constraint I find isn't strategy, market timing, or capital. It's that the leadership team has quietly plateaued, and the CEO knows it, but can't bring themselves to act. They'll call it loyalty, and it is loyalty, genuine, earned loyalty. But it's also discomfort, and when you protect a relationship at the expense of a standard, you erode the organization. Your A players notice. They're watching who gets held accountable and who doesn't, and some of them quietly start looking elsewhere. First who, then what? Jim Collins' most durable insight isn't about strategy or hedgehogs or flywheels. It's 3 words. First who, then what? Get the right people in the right seats before you finalize the strategy, before you launch the next initiative. Amish Shah at ChemCrest understood this at the moment his business most needed it. After 2 decades of continuous growth, the company hit a wall, margins compressing, inventory ballooning. The constraint was people, and Amish knew it. Over 18 months, he rebuilt his executive team. New HR leadership, a new CFO, a new COO. The result? Record growth, highest profitability in company history. And Amish's own energy came back because he was finally leading forward instead of managing friction. Only you can set the standard. There are plenty of capable people in your building, but only one person is responsible for the standard. That's you. If you won't raise the bar, no one will. Growth is an act of defiance against gravity. Left alone, organizations drift toward comfort. Standards erode an inch at a time. Hard conversations get rescheduled. The CEO is the one who defies that gravity. Challenge. Identify the one person on your leadership team whose role you'd recruit differently today, knowing what you now know about where the business is going. Then ask, what fair, honest conversation does this person deserve? And what is it costing the business and costing them that you haven't had it yet?